I did a thing and I finally bought some ENewton bracelets, but I also decided to try out Beaded Blondes as well, and here's my review. First of all, the Beaded Blondes box is so cute. It's adorable. It's pink and red. It has Texas on there. It's got little bows. Love it. The ENewton bracelets came in a poly mailer and then just had these in there, so I feel like Beaded Blondes presentation is a little bit better. Each of the Beaded Blonde bracelets came in their own little baggie, and I'll show you what I got. I got this bow bracelet, and then this one, and this one. So in my opinion, the Beaded Blonde bracelets are a little bit more stretchy than the ENewtons, and I'll show you that here in just a second. This bracelet in particular, I was thinking these were like pearls, but they're just white beads. So, you know, I was kind of going for the pearl look, but these are not the same. Now, Beaded Blondes, as far as I know, is the only brand out there with the little bow bracelets. I just think that is so adorable, so cute. Let's move on to ENewton. So the gold on these are a little bit shinier, and the beads themselves are more rounded, where the Beaded Blondes look more like beads. Like, you know, they're not rounded on the sides. And all of the little pearls on here do look like true pearls. They don't look like just white beads. I think the ENewton bracelets, because they're not as stretchy, just roll them on. And I'm gonna keep these on to see how they last. I'll probably take this off each day, but the gold bracelets I will keep on. You're supposed to be able to swim, bathe, do all the things in these ENewton bracelets, and so we will see how well they last. This next stack that I got from ENewton, it is the, I think, like recruitment stack or sorority stack or something. I think they came out with this for sorority recruitment or rush. I just thought it was super pretty. So if you look at this one from ENewton, it is very similar to this one that I got from Beaded Blondes. The gold beads on ENewton are a little bit more dainty, and the pearls are a little bit smaller too. So here's the recruitment stack. This one has just like a dainty little gold bracelet. This one, which pretty much has the same size gold beads, but you've got that long strip of pearls, and they're beautiful. They look like pearls. They don't look like white beads. And then this last little gold bracelet here. And for the size, for ENewton, I think these are like 6.25 inch. And Beaded Blondes, I'm pretty sure theirs were like 6.75. Like the sizing was not the same. Here are my bracelet stacks. I love them. I'm excited to be able to keep them on and not worry about them tarnishing or anything. They were a little bit of an investment, I will say that. And I know I fussed about that before, but I used my TikTok money to buy it, so it's pretty much free. Also on ENewton's website, I got 10% off for joining like their email text club, and then Beaded Blondes gave me 15% off for joining their email text list. So overall, I think the Beaded Blondes presentation was a little bit better as far as the package I received in the mail. I was so excited to open the pink box before I was excited to open up the white poly mailer. But as far as the bracelets themselves, I do think the ENewton is better quality. But if you're looking for something that's just a little bit less expensive and offers a better discount, I think Beaded Blondes is great as well. But like I said, this bracelet, I was a little bit disappointed that it wasn't like pearls. It looks like white beads. But overall, they are both gorgeous. I don't think you can go wrong with either one of them, and I'm so excited to wear these and see how they do.